Hey guys, welcome back to Mad Stop Garage. Today we're working on this little 98 Civic I got. We're doing the body work. A little bit of body work, not too much because it is a shit box. So we're going to resand it down again. Get the bumper scuffed up, get the mirror scuffed up, the door handles, the side skirts, the rear bumper. Get it prepped. So here it is. Alright, we just went over it for a first pass for some sanding. Like I said, it's not going to be the best job. So here it is so far. Somebody did previous body work to this quarter. There's high and low spots. We're not going to really fix it. Not all that. This is what we got so far though, guys. I didn't do no recording when we bought it. I should have. And before I started sanding it down. But this was an aftermarket fender. While the primer is starting to rust, it's been on there for a while. And like I said, right here, you can actually see, like, right here on that line, they had it all sprayed and it looked like crap. The other side looked really good. I'll post the previous picture here in a second. Alright, well, I really noticed something. I stuck this on. I don't know if you guys could see it, but this pad is way too big for our sander. We got a 5-inch sander, got 6-inch disc, but it should work for what we're doing. Let's get to it. I gotta open up this garage door so I can see what I'm doing. There we go, guys. Let's get you on a different angle here. Here's what we got so far. I don't know if you guys can tell too much. It's already dirty from the previous scuff. Little inner core. We have a grill on the way, but UPS really messed it up. They had it real close to my area, and they are shipping it to Minnesota. We call them up. They told us the supplier who I bought the grill and the lip kit from intercepted my package. I called them. They said they did not. It's a whole situation. Well, we call UPS back, and guess what? They told us there is a fraud going on with my package. So, who knows when I'll end up with my new grill and my lip kit for my front bumper. But until then, let's get this front bumper the rest of the way sanded down. Here we go. I know what you guys are thinking, oh my god, but this is just a shit box. There's some stuff starting to peel on it. I'll show you guys. I don't feel like messing with it really. Right there, you're gonna see all this. Definitely gonna see it. But we still got the mirrors to do. They ain't been done yet. Door handles. and rear bumper. Once I get all that done, I'll show you guys. So close to getting the next step finished. Turned out to be a nice day. Only 55 outside right now though. But that's good old Ohio weather. So, it is what it is. See, it looks like that's already sanded or something, but it's not. So much dust. And I shouldn't be doing it with our other cars in here, but I am. Just the way we do it. Let's get it done. Alright guys, like I said, I doubt you can see anything. Or real good, we got the mirrors done. Little trim seals, door handles, skirts, rear bumper, middle section piece. She's coming together, man. Can't wait. Said we just got it, what, 4 days ago? So, stay tuned. We'll go around the whole car, blow it off, and we'll start the other steps. Gotta let this air compressor build up. So for this job, I went to Harbor Freight, got this air hose. It's like a 50-foot air hose, got this blow gun. Trying out this paint gun, it was like $20-something. Got the 2.0 tip in it. And this 21-gallon compressor. This water trap. That's all we're going to be painting this car with, guys. Letting the compressor build up now and get the rest of this. Whole bunch of leaves and stuff are blowing out the trunk. So we're going to go ahead and pop that trunk. get in there, blow the rest of the leaves out, sweep this floor off. I think we're going to try the same in here because I know there's a whole bunch of goodies down in there. And I don't want that to be floating around, getting in our paint job. I'll be mad. So here's the process so far of what we've been doing. So until the next phase. Well, here we are. We got the first wipe down. Blew all the jams and seals and everything out. This is how far we got to taping her off. I'm not the best taper at all. Usually I have friends doing that for me because I can't tape. We're still going to wipe it off one last time before we shoot it. We got the plastic over there by the Lincoln and Impala. We're going to hang all up here. Make sure everything's covered so it cannot get to the other cars. And then we're going to shoot it. So not much longer to go. Said I'm horrible at taping. I'm sure there'll be a couple tape marks on the car or whatever. But like I said, I'm not trying to get a professional job out of it. I'm just trying to get it to look better. Still got all this to go. Takes me forever too, I'll tell you what. Just that little part that I've done probably took me half hour. So check on. Alright, so a little over halfway done is what we got so far. Don't laugh at the tape job again. Not real good at taping, as you could tell. Still got this to go. My 7-year-old taped up the mirror. Still got the headlights. Windshield. Got the moonroof window already taped up. This side's complete. We might wait till tomorrow to paint it so it's a little warmer. A little bit more light. I still got to hang the walls. Plastic walls. Get the golf cart, get the bike out of here, get some things out of here. Drape plastic over the cars just in case. And be ready. Alright guys, this is where we stopped at for today. We ran out of tape. Got all that. And you see there's no tape down here. So there's that. Still got a windshield and headlights to go. Cover up this grill. Cover up this turbo. And get all the garage prepped up, ready to roll. So until then, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Back with another one. Peace.